Hi guys, it's Lana here, and today I wanted to go ahead and switch things up in terms of curly hair, straight hair. So today I'm gonna straighten my hair. I'm feeling straight hair right now, and you guys know that I do this sometimes. I'm not strictly like no straight hair ever, and I have not straightened my hair since, I think I haven't done it since August. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fine. And also I'm using like top quality products here. I'm using a top quality straightener. I've got absolutely no worries about my hair whatsoever. I just really fancied it. I haven't done it in a long time. I want to see how my hair looks straight, because actually I haven't straightened my hair since I did my layered haircut. So we're gonna find out how that looks. So I want you guys to leave me a comment down below. How long has it been since you last straightened your hair? I am posting videos every single day in January. It's going well so far, and I'd love it if you could subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my uploads. I think there's going to be a lot of stuff coming out that you guys are really going to enjoy. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Let's get on with the video. So these are the products that I'm using. This is NuMe. You know, this is why I'm actually inspired to straighten my hair right now. They sent me this in the post. It was so cute. I just wanted to try it out. So I have this huge box of NuMe goodies right here. So not only do I have the NuMe Rose Gold Megastar. Da 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 da. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at this. There's rose gold everywhere. It's so pretty. And it's matte. This is the most beautiful hair straightener that I've ever owned. On top of that, I also have the Main Girls Deep Repair Mask. I have the Gloss Boss Serum. And I have the Not Your Basic End Sealer. So I'm really excited to put all of these to good use. If you guys are interested in trying out NuMe and their gorgeous rose gold Megastar hair straightener. Oh, it's so beautiful. If you guys are interested in trying it out, I do have a coupon code for 20% off site-wide. So maybe if you're interested in trying out the end sealer or the repair mask, anything, you can use my code LANA for 20% off. So I'll also leave that in the description box in case you miss it. Okay. The only thing that I have on my hair right now is a little bit of oil. No heavy products, because obviously I didn't want heavy styling products like curling products on my hair when I'm going to straighten it. So I'm starting off with my hair like this. Obviously I'm going to need to section it off. So I take all of my little clippies like this. I've got a few of them, and I just go around like this. So I'm going to brush out my hair. I'm using this little wooden comb because I learned last year that this comb actually reduces static in my hair. So this is what I'm using. So I have a video that I'll link right up here. It's actually my straight hair hacks, and in that video I talk about how wooden combs like this can actually help you to reduce static. And sometimes people get confused between static and frizz, and then you end up straightening your hair a whole bunch more than you need to, because really it's just static. When I have a section like this, I'm just going to spray it with some thermal protection. I'm going to take a small section like this, 1 pump of the Gloss Boss. I'm actually putting this down to 390 because when you first switch it on, it's automatically on 450 Fahrenheit, and I just had to quickly do a little conversion. 450 Fahrenheit comes out to about 232 Celsius. I'm pretty sure I don't need it to be that hot. 390 Fahrenheit is going to be fine for me. That comes out to almost 200 Celsius. So we'll try that and we'll see how that goes, and then we can switch it up if it's not working out so well. This straightener is so beautiful. Can't get over it. You're so beautiful! One pump end sealer. It's kind of creamy. Heat defense. One tiny pump of the Gloss Boss, just to run through the lengths of my hair, and then some of the end sealer on my end. See, I think even at, I mean, it's only on 390 Fahrenheit, and even just with that, it's doing such a good job with my hair. 390 Fahrenheit. We're not even, we're at 198 Celsius. We're not even at 200. I mean, obviously it's hot. Like, obviously you still don't want to get this on your skin. You don't want to like hold these plates or anything like that. It's, you know, it's obviously hot, but it's a really good temperature compared to what I used to straighten my hair with. Honestly, I don't know why I used to go up so high. Now, before I go any further, I just want to test this end serum because it's kind of creamy. I just want to test it out and see if it makes my curls revert back at the ends or whether it holds them. I mean, it looks like it's going to hold them. that is very good. So we'll take down a little bit more. I have a feeling that I'm going to get through this really quickly. How long does it usually take you guys to straighten your hair? It used to take me forever. Pretty sure with this, I could take less than an hour. I'm only really doing like one pass. Ow, stabbed myself. Stabbed myself with a pointy bit of this comb I did. This feels so smooth. Like, do you remember back in the day when you used to use hair straighteners and they would leave kinks in your hair and you'd find yourself sort of tugging, like they didn't feel smooth for some reason? Those days are over, my friends. Straighteners these days are smooth, especially this NuMe one. This serum is doing wonders for me. Look at it. And I've got no idea how long my hair is at the moment. Back in August, I did a length check. I'm pretty sure my hair was about 24 inches at that point. Then I did a big haircut, and then I did the inversion method, and then I've been doing all these hair growth methods. So my hair could be any length right now, but it's looking pretty long. I can say that much for sure. These plates, can I just say, these plates, they heated up so quickly. Like, as soon as I switched it on, it said 450. I don't know, I didn't have to wait for it to switch on at all. So if you're in a rush, like if you really need to straighten your hair, then I think these are going to be really good for you. Okay, so now we're getting up to my layers. This is the first time that I've seen them straight since they were cut in, so I hope they look okay. And I'm going to separate this again, just make it a bit thinner. I've actually switched the straightener up to 420 Fahrenheit just to see if it's any different, like what the effect of my hair is. These layers look so much shorter than the rest of my hair right now, don't they? Gloss Boss on the lengths of my hair. So when you're separating your hair, remember to be gentle. Like, I know we're being a little bit harsh with a straightener right now, but it doesn't mean you can just throw caution to the wind. You need to actually keep making sure that you're detangling gently and you're separating your hair gently and stuff, just to avoid breakage as much as you can. So I'm going to hold my comb really close to the straightener, and I'm going to follow behind it with the straightener. I'm going to go pretty slowly so that we only have to do one pass. There we go. One pass and we're done. Oh, love it. So you want to make sure that all the tangles are out so that you can run this comb all the way down to the ends so that you can follow with the hair straightener. Because if you have a tangle, then you're going to need to take the comb out and you're going to have to stop, and then you're going to have to go over the hair again. So if you only want to go over the hair once, you need to make sure there's no tangles in it. I hope that makes sense, because that was kind of a convoluted sentence. Make sure that you're holding it close to the comb so that when you get to the ends, you can follow it down with the comb. We can do this side. I'm quite happy with how my layers look. They just blend in together really. Ooh, that really does warm up actually. Oh, it's so sleek. Oh, that has got to be a combination of the end sealer and the Gloss Boss. So this is how I'm going to do it from now on. We are now on 410. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this right now. Look at that. Okay. It feels so soft. So I'm taking another section right here and my new formula that I've just come up with. Heat Defense Spray. Gloss Boss. Put it in your hands, rub it, warm it up. It actually feels like it's getting warmer in your hands. It's really weird. So you warm it up in your hands, then you put it through your hair. And the end sealer again, warm it up in your hands and then run it through the ends of your hair. Take a thin section of hair, use your NuMe Rose Gold Megastar hair straightener on 410. Use a thin comb and run the hair straightener just behind the comb. Slowly, so that you only have to do one pass. So that's my straightened hair. It's looking super sleek. It's got a lot of good shine to it, a good amount of gloss from the Gloss Boss probably. I really am impressed with this little routine. I don't like my hair looking this flat. Usually it takes me a while to get used to it. I don't know, does anybody else get that when they first straighten their hair? Like, it's definitely an adjustment. So I think what I'm going to do just to help me get used to it, so I'm just going to put some curls in just to give it a bit more volume. So I'm going to use this straightener for curls, and I'm just going to twist the hair straightener like this just to put in some waves. The shape of this hair straightener makes it perfect for putting these little curls in. They're very loose curls, but you can definitely go and give yourself a tighter curl. It depends the kind of angle that you pull this at and the size of the section that you take as well. Like if you take a very small section, then you're going to get like a much more defined curl. Like this one. So there you have it. My hair has gone from curly to this straight, kind of wavy, slightly curly kind of thing. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe for daily videos. Also remember to check out all of my links in the description box down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!